What is the first thing you think about when you wake up in the morning?
Shaping motivation. Shaping motivation.
Shaping your motivation. Can you explain that to me, please?
This is not time for talk.
Okay.
And for swallow.
Okay, please.
Keep quiet.
I've been told that before. What is the most difficult vow for you? Are there any that are difficult for you?
Of course, there are quite a number. One obvious, the vow should not eat any solid food in the afternoon. So this occasionally at my evening tea, some biscuit. I usually take some. If I feel no hungry, then of course I remain complete sort of fast. But in case feel very hungry, then with salutation to Buddha, yeah, this is my boss.
Of course.